The iPhone 16 series, launched in 2024, consists of 4 models: iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Here's an in-depth look at each model's features. 1. iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. These base models focus on performance improvements, powered by the new A18 chip. Key upgrades include Camera Control, a new feature that helps users interact with the camera to capture memories more intuitively. The main camera system has a 48 megapixels fusion camera and an ultra-wide camera for macro photography, with a 2x telephoto option. Battery life. Thanks to the efficiency of the A18 chip, users get a significant battery boost, making these models ideal for daily tasks and media consumption. Display and colors. Available in vibrant colors like black, white, pink, teal, and ultramarine. These models are perfect for those looking for an aesthetic upgrade without going pro. Apple Intelligence. This feature, integrated into iOS 18, offers system-wide AI capabilities like text rewrites and image recognition while ensuring user data privacy. 2. iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. These Pro models bring significant enhancements, especially for creative professionals and tech enthusiasts. Key highlights include larger displays. The iPhone 16 Pro has a 6.3-inch display, while the Pro Max features a 6.9-inch display, both slightly larger than their predecessors. Slimmer bezels contribute to a more immersive experience. Apple A18 Pro chip. Built on a 3nm process, this chip delivers up to 15% faster CPU performance and 20% faster GPU, optimized for high-end tasks like machine learning and AAA gaming camera enhancements. The 48 megapixels fusion camera features faster sensors and better zero shutter lag for Pro RAW and HEIF images. Both Pro models now have the 5x telephoto lens, improved macro photography, and can capture 4K video at 120 fps. A new camera control button, mimicking a DSLR shutter, offers more intuitive control action and camera control buttons. The customizable action button allows quick access to functions like the camera or flashlight, while the new camera control button enables users to launch the camera app and adjust settings like zoom and focus. Audio features. The new audio mix feature allows users to adjust sound quality post-recording, and spatial audio recording enhances immersion when using AirPods or Vision Pro. Other notable features: AP MagSafe upgrades, faster 25W wireless charging via MagSafe, alongside USB-C support, makes charging more efficient and compatible across devices. iOS 18 integration, Apple Intelligence, system-wide AI tools, and machine learning accelerators add convenience for tasks like transcription, summarization, and personalized content creation. The iPhone 16 lineup offers exciting new features, making it an ideal upgrade for both casual users and professionals seeking cutting-edge tech. 1. iPhone 16 display. 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED. Resolution: 2532 by 1170 pixels. 60 Hz refresh rate. Chipset: A18 Bionic. 6-core CPU, 4-core GPU. Next-gen 16-core neural engine for AI and ML tasks. Camera. Main camera, 48 megapixels fusion camera, wide, with a 2x telephoto option, ultra-wide camera, 12 megapixels, macro photography. Video, 4K recording at 60 fps, spatial video support. Storage options, 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB battery. Estimated all-day battery life, 20W wired charging, 25W MagSafe wireless charging operating system. iOS 18 with Apple Intelligence integration and connectivity. USB-C port with 10 gigabits per second speed. 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3 colors: black, white, pink, teal, ultramarine. Other features: action button for customizable shortcuts, ceramic shield front. 2. iPhone 16 Plus display, 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED. Resolution, 2778 by 1284 pixels, 60 Hz refresh rate. Chipset. Same A18 Bionic chip as the iPhone 16. Camera. Same camera system as the iPhone 16. Storage options: 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB battery. Larger battery than iPhone 16, supporting 25W MagSafe wireless charging operating system, iOS 18 connectivity, USB-C, 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3 colors. Same as iPhone 16. Other features: same action button, ceramic shield. 3. iPhone 16 Pro display, 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED with promotion. Resolution, 2622 by 1206 pixels, 120 Hz refresh rate, always on display. Supports 1 nit minimum brightness for dark environment. Chipset, A18 Pro, 3 nanometers, 6-core CPU, 6-core GPU, 16-core neural engine optimized for AI and machine learning tasks. Camera. Main camera, 48 megapixels fusion camera, wide, 24 mm, 28 mm, and 35 mm focal lengths, ultra-wide camera, 48 megapixels with macro capabilities. Telephoto, 5x optical zoom, tetraprism design. Video, 4K 120 FPS with Dolby Vision, spatial photos and videos. Storage options, 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB. Battery, 25W wired, 25W MagSafe wireless charging operating system, iOS 18 build, titanium alloy frame, ceramic shield, action button and new camera control button. Connectivity, USB-C, 10 gigabit per second, 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3 colors, black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, desert titanium, gold. 4. iPhone 16 Pro Max display, 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED with promotion. Resolution, 2868 by 1320 pixels, 120 Hz refresh rate, always on display. Supports 1 nit minimum brightness. Chipset, same A18 Pro as iPhone 16 Pro. Camera, same camera system as the iPhone 16 Pro. Storage options, 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB battery. Larger battery than iPhone 16 Pro, supporting 25W MagSafe wireless charging operating system, iOS 18 build, same titanium frame, ceramic shield, action button, and camera control button as the iPhone 16 Pro. Connectivity, same USB-C, 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3 colors, same as iPhone 16 Pro. Notable features across all models: Apple Intelligence, a new AI system integrated into iOS 18, which allows for personal assistant features, image recognition, and improved privacy through private cloud compute. Spatial photos and videos. Both Pro models can capture spatial media to be experienced on the Apple Vision Pro. MagSafe. Faster 25W wireless charging. Qi 2 certification for broader compatibility.